praying in Cusco, Peru. I don't know, about 10,000 feet. And I had some pals. We were down there climbing and walking around. They were on, you know how those old narrow gauge rails sit, two people face two people. So I was sitting by the aisle, and a little German boy was beside me, and his mother was right there, and his father was right there. And there was a bomb up on luggage rack. Somebody put something. I've read different things. I read dynamite stolen from a mining camp. I read C4, but I think it's dynamite. So they put it up on the luggage rack, and the little boy and I talked. Well, and then the bomb went off, and man, it killed his mother really fast, really violent. Killed his father real fast, and then it killed that little boy. But it took him a number of hours to die. And I had a cut artery. Cut vein blew off the top of my hand, blew my ears in, which is why I'm deaf. That's why I play left-handed guitar. But man, I couldn't figure out what it meant to be on the side of a bomb where it blows up. It's faster than anything any of us know. And I was trying to understand what happened, and finally this song just came. And it was when this song came, I guess, that I started being able to say what it was like to be under that bomb and have that German family die. Sitting on a train to Machu Picchu, passenger car explodes. There's not enough time to say goodbye. There's not enough time to know what's gone wrong. God have mercy, I believe my heart has failed. Smoke rises through a hole in the roof, and the dead say fare thee well. I swear, doctor, don't you have anything like morphine for this pain? I swear, Jesus, take me now. I do believe I'm about to go insane. Looking back at the world as one who is leaving in a dream, come right out of hell. Smoke rises through a hole in the roof, and the dead say fare thee well. No one is just an observer. The same bell tolls for the served and the servant, for the strong, the weak, the weary, and the brave. Everybody right come judgment day, cause trains explode, steel flies, and the sisters ring the Catholic bells. Smoke rises through a hole in the roof, and the dead say fare thee well. Sitting on a train to Machu Picchu, fast your car explodes. There's not enough time to say goodbye. There's not enough time to know what's gone wrong. God have mercy, I believe my heart has failed. Smoke rises through a hole in the roof, and the dead say fare thee well. Smoke rises through a hole in the roof, and the dead say fare thee well. Satan on the run, shouts the Nazarene. Palestine, Palestine, yeah. Palestine, we got Satan on the run.